Sensex lower by 376. Banks have underperformed today. The Nifty banking index is down close to about more than 1.2%, with selling pressure visible in names like State Bank of India, ICICI Bank, HDFC Bank ahead of its earnings on Saturday. Axis Bank, compared to the rest, has gotten away with a minor cut of just about 0.5%. Nimesh was telling us about how there are buys of HNI at the HNI desk for Axis Bank, and plus the CLSA target price increase to 1100 has also aided. On the big mover side, it's got to be Wipro. Wipro ends with a cut of close to about 7% after the street is disappointed by its performance. HCL Tech, on the other hand, goes home with a gain of nearly 3%. A couple of the other big movers include Sun Pharma, Tata Motors, Eicher Motors. So a couple of these auto names holding up in the green. Britannia as well saw some buying, Nigel.
Well, fair bit of action, actually from the broader markets as well. To run you through a few losers. First, India Cements was down close to 6%. It went back to its losing ways. And the last couple of trading sessions, it's corrected from around 280 all the way to around 235 odds. So it's been a sharp plunge that we've seen out there. Escorts Kubota. Well, that stock as well was down close to around 4.5% in trade today. Indian Hotels was down close to around 4%. And IDBI Bank, well, there were hopes of privatization. Maybe it happens in the next few months. But today, there was some money getting taken off the table. ACC is back below their open offer price. So that stock was down close to around 2.5% in trade. Nalco, that's going to be the clear beneficiary if aluminium prices remain elevated globally because of the supply disruption. Well, that one went home with gains of close to around 3%, while Hindalco gave up almost all of its gains. But there were far, big movers in the broader markets. AB Money, take a look at that stock, up more than 10%. Rights, stock flying away. Pennar Industries, they got a new order. That stock was up and about. And dredging, it's had a good last couple of days. The stock was up close to around 10% in trade today. And Liberty Shoes as well. It's lacing up and running away. Religev, the other stock that was up close to 7.5%. So from the broader markets, there were a fair bit of winners. But to wind things down, the Nifty ended with a cut of close to around 100 points in trade today. It threatened to go past that 17,100 odd, but it did see some selling from the top. The Nifty Bank, well, that was an underperformer after being a relative outperformer over the last few days, though it came off the day's low of around 38,500 odd. The breadth of the market in favor of the number of stocks that are declining. 2 stocks declining for 1 stock that was advancing.